sometimes the journey can become frustrated, because sometimes, even while we're building this business, sometimes we become frustrated because sometimes you're putting in the work, however, you're not getting the desired results, right? And this is where God comes in as well. So you're praying, however, even when you're praying, right, you're working, but you're not seeing the results, right? So what is your motivation to an individual who is working? I mean, they're grinding, they're working, they're praying, but they're not seeing the results.
Sometimes to be successful takes time, so you just need to be patient, stay on task, be unmovable.
Yes.
You will definitely get to your targets.